How to create TaskRabbit account. Now in order to create TaskRabbit account, just simply open any of the browser that you use. In there, search for TaskRabbit. Then after searching for TaskRabbit, this first link of taskrabbit.com will appear in the very top. Simply open that link. Then from this home page, you will see a bunch of options. You just simply need to select these three lines from the top left corner. After tapping in there, you will see sign up/login. Select sign up/login, and after tapping in there, you will see the separate button for sign up and login. To create an account, tap to sign up button. Then you need to enter your first name, last name, email address and phone number, and after that create a strong password for your account. Then after entering all of those, enter the zip code of your location. Then check this box to agree with the terms and conditions of TaskRabbit. Then tap to create account, and after verifying your phone number and email address, your account will be created in TaskRabbit. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.